Want free rewards? Here's how to refer a friend on BetMGM fast. Open the BetMGM app or visit betmgm.com and sign into your account. Tap the profile icon, then choose Refer a Friend from the menu. Review the referral page, bonus amount, qualifying bets, and expiration date. Copy your unique referral link or choose Share to send via text, email, or socials. Friend must sign up with your link before betting. Share the link. Tap Share and pick text, email, or social apps. Send a short message, mention bonus details, minimum bet, and expiration. After their qualifying bets clear, the referral bonus posts to your account. Check the referrals section to track pending and completed invites in real time. Remember terms: 1 referral per friend, restricted jurisdictions, and eligibility rules apply. Ready to earn? Share your referral link now and see full terms on BetMGM.